In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download Metatrader 5 on your Mac. So first of all, head over to a browser. You will then need to search for Metatrader 5 download. Once we search for this, you want to scroll down until you see the option for metatrader5.com. Click on this link right here. That will then bring you to this page, and then you want to select download for Mac OS. Once we click on download for Mac OS, the download will start, as you can see in the top right hand corner. This will take a couple of minutes to fully download. As you can see, our download has now finished. So what we need to do is click on this to open it up. That will then open it up in, your given folder, wherever it does save. And then what you'll get is you'll get something like this. Now, what we need to do is double click on this. That will then open up the installer, and then you'll be on this page. So this is the introduction. Click on continue. You will then need to agree to the licensing agreement. Click on continue, select agree. And then from here, all you simply need to do is just click on install and make sure that you have got this amount of space available. Now, once you click on install, that will then go through the install process. And then once it has finished, that will mean that you have downloaded Metatrader 5 on your Mac.